What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. If you guys missed my very last Aldi finds video, go ahead and click right here. I shared this whole half of this aisle. There were tons of candles, beautiful water bottles, so many nice items like baskets and really super affordable clothing items as well. But I'm gonna go ahead and start right here where I left off, because you guys, this store is bursting with Aldi finds. I have this whole other side of the aisle where like 80% of everything is on clearance. So let's just start and see how much we can fit into this video. But right away, we have some clearance bubbles, 128 ounces, and back to the beautiful candles. Once again, this is the terracotta planter candle, and it has the little liner underneath. So once you use it, you can plant a plant in it. I love that it's multi-purpose. You guys, we have safes for $20.99 if you've ever wanted to get a fireproof, waterproof safe. This comes with a 5-year warranty, media protection, and it's 0.17 cubic feet, which is 4.8 liters. We have folding hand trucks down here if you're moving, $29.99. We have the fitness interlocking flooring for $6.49, which is half price. We have a 3-tier urn planter. Really nice surge protector strips. I just bought one of these the other day in Walmart, and I'm wishing I would have gotten this one instead, because this one looks like it's way better. But yeah, $6.99 for this, $9.99 for a super nice laundry hamper that feels very sturdy. This is the stand-up variety. 2-in-1 rechargeable vacuum cleaner, $79.99. And guess what, you guys? The carpet cleaner is half price. It's $49.99. It was $99.99 last week, and now it's $49.99. We just have so many deals up here. $3.79 for a little decorative nightlight. The XL desk mats are $9.79. We have a couple different varieties. The wireless car charger is $22.99. 10-watt fast charge vent phone mount, $22.99. We have a quad charging station for $19.99. Put all your devices in there. A sewing machine for $39.99. Another steamer. I featured a steamer in my last video that was, I believe, a few dollars more than this, but this is a second variety. We also have the Crackle solar lights back here. Those are $3.99 each. And then down here, even more clearance. We have pressure washers for $49.99. I think my store is out of stock, but the pressure washers are $49.99, down from $99.99. Also, the accent cabinet is $39.99. This right here, this huge accent cabinet. Yeah, $39.99, down from $79.99. A hammock chair. My store has 2 left. $18.79 for the hammock chair. It's the chair, not the full hammock. Area rugs are $39.99. The 7.5-foot umbrella is $29.99. These are down from $39.99, and these are your color options. We have jute area rugs on clearance, $37.99, down from $49.99. And we have some rugs on clearance down from $49.99, you guys. These are $24.99 for a brand new area rug. These are our color varieties, mostly like gray and white, cream and blue. A shepherd's hook for $14.99. It's a really tall, long one. And then we have a writing desk down from $119.99. It is now just $59.99, and this is heavy. You're gonna need 2 people to lift this, and it has a little drawer, half price, you guys. Like, if you have a little extra money and you need some of these items for your home and you want to do an update, like, wow, there's just so much really, really good clearance in here right now. We have a wooden potting bench down from $69.99. It's $52.99. A spring reversible sign, $14.99. A adjustable 2-shelf kit down from $24.99. It's $18.79. This is what it looks like. We also have 2 packs of LED Anywhere lights for $6.49, down from $12.99. More little Lily and Dan kids umbrellas. Portable charcoal grills, $9.49, down from $18.99. The Crane men's or ladies lightweight footbed sort of Crocs or slides, $7.99. Even more. Okay, the Crocs are $5.99 and the slides are $7.99, but all the Crocs, $5.99. All the kids' Crocs, $5.99. Those are cute. Even more over here by Lily and Dan for $5.99. And even more clearance shoes up here. The little sandals for boys and girls, $7.49. Wow. Ladies ultra soft socks. The brand is Sarah. 2 pairs for just $1.29, down from $4.99, you guys. Those are cuddly and nice. We also have this variety. Super nice. And this one. Yeah, look at that. Basically $1 each. $1.29 each. Visage reading glasses with case for $4.99. And then we have shaker bottles for $3.49. Those are half price. And you get 2 shaker bottles. Wow, you guys, there's just so many deals in here. Potty chairs or the double step stool, $3.49, down from $6.99. The portable fans, $9.99. We even have a little air purifier and fan, down from $39.99. It's now $25.99. Grill and bake mats, $4.89. Barbecue caddies, $14.99. Range Master barbecue frying pans or roasting pans, these heavy ones, $19.99. And all the barbecue tools, tongs, spatulas, or brushes, those are just $3.99 each, and they look really nice. We have even more socks, half price. These are the chenille socks. Posture correctors, $4.49. These are some of the chenille socks. Crane men's or ladies performance socks. It has to be the Crane brand. My store is out of those. And then we have the cabin socks. Those are 99 cents, down from $1.99. Actually, they were originally $3.99 each, and now they're just 99 cents, cheaper than Dollar Tree. A lot of them are winter themed. These would be perfect for donations, perfect for stocking stuffers, gifts to coworkers, little like gift bags, just 99 cents. And my store has 2 big boxes full. We also have the ladies sleepwear sets, super silky and pretty. We get an eye mask, a top, and the shorts for $14.99. Wow, you guys, like, I'm just finding so many deals in here. And once again, the video has gotten super long. I basically shared just a third of this aisle here, and then I shared the half of this aisle. But come back, you guys, because I have a lot more deals to share with you guys. I'm pretty happy about these socks. I'm gonna save these for Christmas time. I mean, we just have so many great deals, clothing deals, home deals. $3.99 ballet flats for kids. We just have so many really nice deals. Ladies mules, $2.49. Yeah, you guys, Come back to my very next video. I think I'm gonna need to go get a cart. I didn't bring a quarter in, but anyways, my hands are getting full, and there are lots of deals in here. Lots and lots of deals, you guys. We even have bras for $4.99. All right, you guys, join me in my next video because we have a lot to look at. See you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.